Hi everybody, welcome back to Sunshine Soap and Candle Company. Today I'm going to be making some bath bombs and I'm so excited because I finally got over that learning curve of how to make them and I've come up with my own formulation which I'm super excited to share with you guys. In this video today I'm going to be showing you the tutorial on how to make them and giving you some tips and tricks along the way. And if you want the recipe plus the written tutorial, you can head on over to my Patreon campaign where I'll be posting it. Let's get started. All right, to this little beaker, I will be adding in some witch hazel. And the reason I'm using witch hazel here instead of water is because I don't want my water to set off my baking soda and citric acid mixture while I'm making the bath bombs. And I'm not using rubbing alcohol because I feel that rubbing alcohol makes your mixture too dry and then you can get some cracking and stuff in your bath bombs. So to this witch hazel, I'm going to be adding in a little bit of amethyst colored water soluble dye. And we're just going to allow the color to bloom in the witch hazel. All right. Okay, and so then we're just going to take this little beaker here and set it off to the side. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is weighing off our baking soda and some Epsom salts. Now baking soda you need as part of a bath bomb mixture to create that fizzing reaction when it's combined with the citric acid. So to this mixing bowl, we're going to be adding in our baking soda first. And then to the baking soda, we're going to be adding in some Epsom salts. Now, Epsom salts are great for tired muscles. I actually find I really do like Epsom salts in my bath bombs. They just have a really nice, relaxing feel to your bath, and they really do help with sore muscles. Take our hands and mix up the baking soda and the salt just to get it well combined. Kind of break up those clumps. Then we're going to set that off to the side. And then the next thing we're going to do is mix up some citric acid and some cream of tartar. And we're going to do it in this container here first. So we need to weigh that out. Part of what makes the bath bomb fizz when it combines with the baking soda. And then the next thing we're going to do is to the citric acid we're going to add in some cream of tartar. And the reason why we're using cream of tartar, it's a really good ingredient for bath bombs because it actually does kind of help with the fizzing action of the bath bomb. And it's a hardening agent, so when it gets all combined in, it does help the bath bomb to stick together, but it also gives your water a really nice, soft, fluffy feel. All right. And then the last thing we're gonna do is combine some of our wet ingredients to this beaker. So to this beaker, I'm going to be putting in my shea butter. I am using a butter for this recipe. It makes the bath bomb really hard and more sturdy. And I also really like the way shea butter feels in the bath. It's very good for your skin. It's very healing. And then I'm going to be adding in some grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a light carrier oil, but it does have some antioxidants. And it's a pretty inexpensive oil as well, with some good properties. Okay, and then to this mixture, I'm going to be adding in some polysorbate 80. The polysorbate 80 is actually something that I'll probably always be now adding to my bath bomb mixture because polysorbate 80 is a really good, well, it's a liquid emulsifier. And what it does is it helps the oils not feel greasy in the water and in your bathtub. So it kind of takes the oils that you put in your bath bomb and it emulsifies them in the water so that it's not sticking to the sides of your tub or getting onto your skin and feeling super slick. You just feel it's more lotion-like when you get out of the water. You're not feeling greasy. It doesn't get on your towels or stick to your bathtub. It's also a little bit of a surfactant, so it does help with kind of that bubbling, foaming action as well. And this is really important to use in your bath bombs if you don't want your dye to stick to the sides of your tub. Like, nobody likes to get out of the bathtub and clean up the sides of the tub for sure. So this is a must-have in my opinion. Okay. So once that's in there, I'm going to pop this in the microwave for a few seconds just to get my butter and everything and the oils warmed up. I'll bring you right back when everything's melted down. All right, everything is melted down, so now I'm just going to be adding in my fragrance oil. And today, I think I'm going to go ahead and use strawberries and cream. Right. And we're just going to give this a good mix and we're going to set it off to the side. Okay. So then I'm going to bring back in my my baking soda and my Epsom salt, and we're going to start to mix in the witch hazel and the water soluble dye. Now that water soluble dye is very, very potent, so you just want to make sure that you are wearing gloved hands. Also, this is abrasive, all of the baking soda and citric acid, so you don't want to scrub your hands too much with it. It's It's just a really pretty color, nice purple color. So we're just going to mix this up a little bit by hand, and then I'm going to actually attach this to my stand mixer and get this really mixed up, and then we'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients. All right, to this mixture now I'm going to be adding in my cream of tartar and my citric acid. So the last thing we need to do is go ahead and add in the other liquid ingredients. And you see the texture? That's a really nice texture. And then when the wet ingredients go in, okay, and now we are ready to go ahead and press the bath bombs. And I'm actually using this cute little star mold today from bathbombpress.com along with the press. So I just wanted to show you real quick, your mixture should stick like that together, and then you'll know it's ready. So I'll just show you how this works. So I'm going to go ahead and put my mixture on the scale. This bath bomb mold does hold about 3.5 ounces. You don't have to go, you know, 3.5 ounces, but I think it's a cute size. I like that size. So we're just gonna fill it to about 3.5 ounces. And then actually, I think I wanted to use a little bit of the biodegradable glitter as well. So I'm using a really pretty little carnival blend glitter. I'll be putting that right on top. It just takes the littlest bit. I have this little baby spoon. And then it has a little lid here. And we're just going to put it over to the press. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. I just love the shape of this bath bomb. I think it's so cute. And there you have it, perfectly shaped little star bath bomb. I'll go ahead and show you a few more. right, I'll bring you back when we're ready to decorate the tops. All right, I'm back to go ahead and decorate the tops. And all I've done is I've mixed some of this beautiful Cheshire Cat purple mica into some rubbing alcohol. And then I'm just gonna take my pipette and sort of, I wanted to make kind of like splatters on it, so we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna go up high and I think I just kind of empty out my pipette and just wow, seems to be splattering in all the wrong places. There we go. Okay, I sort of Jackson Pollock style that mica all over it, so the paper is real messy, but that will dry up and the end result will look super cool. And there are my beautiful star-shaped bath bombs scented with strawberries and cream fragrance oil. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please remember to give it a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and why not share with your friends? Catch you on the next video.